Migraines are a type of headache that can be severe and debilitating. The exact cause of migraines is not fully understood, but it is believed to involve a combination of genetic, environmental, and neurological factors. Some common triggers for migraines include hormonal changes. Fluctuations in estrogen levels, particularly in women, can trigger migraines. Certain foods. Some people may experience migraines after consuming certain foods, such as aged cheeses, processed meats, and foods containing MSG monosodium glutamate. Environmental factors. Bright lights, loud noises, strong smells, and changes in weather patterns can trigger migraines. Stress, emotional stress, as well as physical stress, can trigger migraines. Sleep disturbances, changes in sleep patterns or lack of sleep can trigger migraines. Medications. Some medications, including certain blood pressure medications and oral contraceptives, can trigger migraines in some people. It's important to note that not everyone will have the same triggers for migraines, and some people may not have any identifiable triggers at all. If you experience migraines, it can be helpful to keep a diary of your symptoms and potential triggers to help identify patterns and manage your condition.